Today we were learning how to make the Motif 3 and large Motif 2 from the shiny scarf. We will use a 2.05mm crochet hook and Susan's Family Monet impression yarn. This self-striping yarn has different color sections. Starting from different color positions, we'll create varied motifs. Begin with a double adjustable magic ring. Work a chain for secure it. Let's start with round 1. Chain 5 to begin. Then work a treble crochet into the ring. Chain 1. Continue with 13 treble crochets, placing one chain between each stitch. After completing, we will close the ring. Gently pull the tail. You will see a loop is active. Pull on the active loop until only one loop remains. Then tighten the yarn end. The ring closed. Join with a slip stitch in the 4th chain of the beginning chains. Round 1 is complete. Continue work round 2. Chain 1 to begin. Work 2 single crochets at the chain space. This round follows the pattern. Work 2 single crochets into each chain space. Continue around using this repeat. After completing, join with a slip stitch to the 1st stitch. Round 2 is complete. Now let's work on round 3. Chain 5 to begin. Continue chain 6. Then work a single crochet into next stitch. Continue with 3 single crochets. Here we have a total of 4 single crochets. Then chain 6. Work a double treble crochet into next stitch. Continue work another double treble crochet into next stitch. Chain 6. Work a single crochet into next stitch. Continue work 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Treat these 2 chains, 2 double treble crochets, and 4 single crochets as 1 petal. Repeat this petal pattern all the way around to complete the round. For the last petal, chain 6. Then work a double treble crochet. Join with a slip stitch in the 5th chain of the beginning chains. Round 3 is complete. Now we are working on round 4. First, work 1 slip stitch into the left chain space. Then chain 5 to begin. Count these 5 chains as 1 double treble crochet. Continue work 4 treble crochets into the chain space. Then work 4 double crochets into the same chain space. A half double crochet and a single crochet. Then work 1 single crochet in each of the 2 center stitches of the previous 4 single crochet group. Work the symmetrical stitches in the left chain space. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 4 double crochets, 4 treble crochets, and 1 double treble crochet. Next, work a 5 chain picot. Skip the next 2 double treble crochets. In the left chain space, work the symmetrical stitches. Then work 2 single crochets in the center. One petal is now complete. Continue working petals in the same way around the round. Complete all petals to finish the round. After completing all stitches, join with the first stitch with a slip stitch. Round 4 is complete. That completes motif 3. To make large motif 2, continue for 2 more rounds. Let's work round 5. Begin with 2 chain. Then work 1 half double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Continue with 6 single crochets. Then skip this 4 stitches, work another 6 single crochets. And work 6 half double crochets. The last 2 stitches work in this chain ring. Chain 2. Work another half double crochets into the same chain ring. Continue crocheting according to this method and the chart. Completing this round. After completing the round, join with the beginning chain with a slip stitch. Round 5 is now complete. Let's work the last round. Chain 3 to begin. Then work 4 half double crochets. And 6 single crochets. Skip 2 stitches, work another 4 single crochets. Four half double crochets. And 3 double crochets. Then work another 2 double crochets into the chain space. Then work a chain 5 picot. Continue crocheting according to this method in the chart, completing this round. After completing the round, join with the beginning chain with a slip stitch. The last round is finished. Fasten off. Now the large motif 2 is completed. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.